Meaning of hostel.
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 Hostel. A hostel is a budget accommodation option where travelers can stay in shared dormitory-style rooms with bunk beds, communal bathrooms, and other common areas like kitchens or lounges. Hostels are popular among young backpackers or budget-conscious travelers who want to save money on accommodation while exploring new cities or countries. Unlike hotels, hostels typically offer fewer amenities and might not have room service or other fancy features. However, they provide a sociable atmosphere where guests can meet fellow travelers from around the world and share their experiences and tips for traveling.